Hello, kiddos, and good night to you. From me and mines, this is Mines. I've had a long ass day, and I can't wait to go to bed. So today I have a cleaning vlog for you. Cleaning more like a turn down service, if you will, because I've tended to everything the last couple days about my apartment. So some things are a little bit out of place, a little bit dirty, a little bit messy, and I just cannot. I want to wake up to a clean apartment tomorrow. So today I'm going to show you what I do, starting off with feeding my children, because Lord knows Chai will throw a fit. Little overview of the kitchen. There's, oh, sure, yeah, let's do that. There's my other one. She's pretty chill. She just, plays. This part isn't really that bad. It'll be really fast. My laundry, which is actually folded. I just need to put it away. Not really all that bad. It's really just about putting things away, and I filmed, so there's like shoes and little things like that. So, to-do list today is those areas. Mostly put everything away and make sure the kitchen is clean. That's of utmost importance at the moment. Later on, I'm going to do my skincare, and I'm going to shower, and then I'm going to go to bed because I spent all day working, and then at my mom's helping with my grandpa, who is doing great after surgery. So yay, but also I just haven't had time for myself. So this is that time. We're clocking in. Let's go. And honestly, I'm just going to start with my room right now because it's just the easiest one. Easiest in terms of I need to just put these shoes away and this bed needs to be made, kind of. I slept like crazy last night apparently because the sheets were all over the place. So literally do one of these and one of these. Bow. If you're interested in my sheets, they're from Threads. A little pricey, but I honestly couldn't find this color of sheets anywhere. These underwear, I don't even know if they're clean, so in the pile they go. There's a toy. You want this toy? Get it. And I'm really gonna try my best to not get distracted, because if you're an ADHD type gal, we all know how this turns out. Like, I'm somehow gonna end up looking at my memory box from 2009, and we don't want that right now. All we want is some clutter-free vibe. Oh, hello, Chai. And yes, I'm still wearing my clothes from today because a bitch doesn't have time to get comfy. Like, I'm literally just trying to do this as fast as possible because I want to go to bed. Because those go over there, those go over there. Okay. This is trash. Ugh. Trash. I keep a lint roller handy because I don't know if you saw that. Chai is crazy, but he definitely feeds off my energy. I need to lint roll as much as possible because I have cats and like nobody wants allergies. Look at that, just from the day. Then I do a light spray of the Febreze. I think this is the Downy one. It's purple. I took the label off because actually it broke. This is my laptop case, which will go somewhere else. Mouth tape that I never use, which is really unfortunate because I have heard good things. I have melatonin. Let me start putting stuff down here. I have this pillow spray, which is really nice. I have Saltaire body oil, so I could put all over my body whenever I want. I also keep the L'Occitane almond oil. Fire, love that. So I keep those there. And I kind of just go back and forth with them. I have this sleepy lotion that my mom gave me from Lush. One of the many things that I'm trying to like project pan. So this one I'm like, oopsies. I'm almost done with, as you can see. Pretty proud I haven't bought any lip products, so happy about that. Oh, and then this, bro, you need to start slugging your feet. This is just like a little sample, I think. It's a foot balm. It smells so good. I think it's coconut oil maybe, and like clothes. We're gonna go this way now, okay? Important, my bunny. I sleep with her. Simba just kind of be staying here now because these are my PJs right now. They're from Skims, and I actually got them for an event for IKEA because I didn't have cute PJs. My PJs are super boring, and this is the cutest set. They're just very expensive. You know, a bitch can't find shit at the store. All I knew to do was just go to Nordstrom's, and I knew that they would have something. But I'm surprised at how much I actually reached for it. So I think it's a win-win. I hate doing laundry, so that if I can avoid washing things, it's really great for me. These are kind of like, this drawer is my everyday shirt drawer. Like, I'm not thinking of a cute outfit. I'm not busting out a fashion week outfit from here. This is literally my simple staple pieces. Most of them are Skims cotton shirts. They fit me so good. I wear them all the time. I'm a sucker for quality. Like, I've realized that you shop way less, obviously. That's really important. I don't want to have to like spend money every quarter buying staple pieces that all I want is for them to last and to serve their purpose of like literally like wearing things under your clothes and have them not fucking deteriorate after the third use. So all those shirts I've had for a couple years. I have bodysuits, crop tops, little things like that that are like plain, one color, all of those things. So one day I will organize this sock drawer and like intimates drawer, but it's not gonna be tonight. I need to organize this too. Like, I'm not doing a great job at keeping this all cute and together, but today I definitely rummaged through it really hard because I wanted to film a cute outfit video and I just didn't have all the time in the world to make it as, you know, neat as possible. Okay, this is called Iowa Corn Baby. If you're on your period, if you're a person that gets periods, you need this. First of all, it doesn't smell like popcorn. It smells like warm grains. Actually, right now it smells like popcorn, but not when it gets heated up. So you can put this in the microwave for a minute. I do it for like a minute and a half. It heats up pretty fast. It's this nice felt, like heated pouch. A fucking game changer. I think they have bigger sizes, but this is fire. It's from Amazon. I'll put it in the description box. But it's literally the best thing ever. And I recently had gotten off of birth control. Literally didn't even last a month because I was like, I'm not dealing with these period pains. So I went back on. So yay me. It's really funny because I was like, okay, maybe it's a sign. I didn't get my birth control in the mail and I still ordered a new pack. By the way, if you're not hip to Hello Wisp, get on it. They're so good. I've been on birth control through them for 5 years. I pay for a membership, which is like $50. And then you still pay for medicine, but you just avoid having to go to the doctor every time. And I love that. And it's anything like wellness, sexual wellness. I'm obsessed. Look at that. Look at that. Hell yeah, hell yeah. I'm feeding my cats. So I wasn't recording just now and I was giving a whole spiel about how you should hydrate your cat's your cat's food, because duh. Not because they get bored. Like, if they drink a lot of water, that's wonderful, but they should definitely be having water with mostly everything. Okay, now that the children are taken care of, I feel a little bit better. I put these broths in there, the Tiki Cat ones. They're nice. I think I like the puree more because it combines everything together a little bit better. Okay, these boxes, they're from a job I just did with Marc Jacobs. I'm so excited. Aluminum foil goes up here. Bow over there. Basically how I clean is whatever doesn't belong goes on the couch for a little bit. I find where it goes eventually, because this tends to be a catch-all situation that I'm not super fond of. So I do need to do a lot better with putting things where they belong, but that's what it is. It's just a lived-in house. See, like I get so distracted. Especially when I'm tired, I'm also a little hungry. Best Cheetos in the world, Korean Cheetos, fire. Hello. Coffee station. It's a pet safe Clorox multi-surface spray. So, and honestly, my cats don't go on this counter per se, but they do go everywhere else. And yes, sadly, I am very much a paper towel person. Like I said, I hate touching wet things and having to wash a rag that I've used for like food. Like that shit grosses me out so much. No matter how many times I clean this off, my cat still goes on it. So I do love this table though. I had a thought maybe I would change it for something else, but I really like it and it adds like coolness to the space. All right, kitchen is done. Let's runneth a cycle. Don't need a ton. Oh, I forgot to get some at the store the other day. Wondered if I had a Velcro cat. He's always there. Are you always there, mister? Are you always there? Okay, kitchen looks pretty damn cute. Moving on to the living room. I'm getting hot. Make sure you get a candle warmer. It's honestly a game changer. I didn't realize how much longer my candles would last. Ooh. This goes into the office. I'm gonna leave my journal here because I do my morning pages here. Sometimes I do them on my desk, but I've been finding it way more cozy to wake up and do them on the couch. The last few things are cat related, so I have to do their litter box and then I can start relaxing. Approved? You like it, Spressy? It's so clean. Oh, that was Chai. Are you comfy, Spress? Are you comfy, girl? Good stretch. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this doesn't scare you, because I do look a little crazy, but I deserve this, right? Sorry, my dishwasher's going. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little closing shift of mine on a cute Wednesday. And I hope you're having a wonderful day or a wonderful night over and over you're watching this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.